I'll show you step by step how to change the button color in the Shopify Dawn theme. So let's start things off right away here from our Shopify dashboard. We're going to navigate to the left-hand side menu under Online Store. This is going to open up our Shopify themes section automatically. We can see I currently have Dawn installed. So let's go and change the color here, and we'll go into Customize. This should be on your current theme. So if we click on Customize here, this is going to open up our Shopify theme editor. So let's go and edit our button color. And the way we do so is by adjusting the color schemes in our store. So if we go to the left-hand side menu here under Theme Settings, we can then open up what's called the Colors tab. If I zoom in a little bit here, we can see there are predefined color schemes. There are 6 color schemes out of the box. And for your primary buttons here, such as your Add to Cart button, they're going to be using Scheme 1. So if we click into this here, we can see our solid button background, our solid button label, our outline button, and our shadow. So we'll edit this here, as this will be our Add to Cart button, which is one of the most important buttons in our Shopify store. If I click on an example product here, I can see the Add to Cart button. So if we want to customize the color here, maybe for my solid background button, I want it to be a red, as it's going to stand out more. I can change the label. Maybe I want black text. And the bottom 2 here are going to be for the outline button. So if you're using dynamic buttons here, the outline is going to cover the opposite button. So if I click into Sections and I click on the Buy buttons, which is going to be the Add to Cart button, and if I go and select the Show Dynamic Checkout buttons, it's going to also add the option for Buy It Now. So we can see it gets switched here. The Buy It Now button becomes my main button. The Add to Cart button becomes my outline. If I go into Settings, again, under Theme Settings, it's going to open up my color scheme number 1. And let's go and change the outline here. Maybe I also want it to be red. So that's going to change the outline, and that's going to match the feel of these here. So it's going to have a solid button and a outline button. So that's how we customize our buttons here in the Shopify Dawn theme. This should be very similar regardless of the Shopify theme you're using, as they can all be edited in the Shopify theme editor. If I click on Save here to finalize these changes, we've just changed the button color for our Shopify store. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, including all your ad spend from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold options. It's going to give you a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. You can get a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. I hope you enjoyed this quick video here. If you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.